Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
And I hope you are enjoying the rain out there today because it's going to be here through at least the middle part of the week. In fact, there's at least a small chance of rain every day between now and Saturday. Kind of a damp and dreary pattern. And then next week, it looks like we'll finally have some cool weather headed our way. But you know what? It is November. You might expect that. What you might not expect in November is temperatures like these in the morning and nighttime. We'll start off tomorrow morning at 64 degrees. Normally we're in the 40s this time of the year, that time of the day. In the afternoon, high temperatures won't go up a whole lot though because of the clouds, the drizzle, the mist. I don't expect the rain to be as heavy out there tomorrow, but it's going to be kind of a messy day. 67 at noon with our high temperatures right around 70 degrees. Here's our radar over the past hour or so. Notice the rain's moving from southwest to northeast. The clouds, if you look up in the sky, are actually coming in from the east because the low-level winds are from the east and northeast. And that southwest wind over the easterly wind is what we're going to have in place for the next couple of days. We know that pattern as the wedge, and it is building in here, and that's why it's going to be a cool day out there. I doubt we'll have this much rain on the radar tomorrow, but still a drizzly day will be a safe bet. Tornado watch still in effect for Emmanuel and Jefferson County until 7 o'clock tonight, but I think that threat for severe weather has pretty much ended, and we're talking about just status quo for the next few hours. Around the Augusta metro area, some pockets of heavier rain. And no, there's no dry spot right there. That's just a dead area right around the radar site. But you can bet that rain is traveling right through that bullseye there. And you are seeing the rain there in Beach Island. Here's a wider vantage point, some heavier rain across southeast Georgia. There's that tornado watch remaining in effect. But I think that threat will stay off to our south and maybe travel down around the Charleston area, I should say, later tonight. Storm spotters today have reported some impressive rain. 1 2/3 inches of rain reported by Kevin in Harlem, just under an inch by Doug and Justin there in Martinez, about 3/4 of an inch in Grovetown. Has been heavy on the South Carolina side of the river too. Olin and Johnston 1.4 inches and just over a ½ inch there from Dennis and Wagner. Meanwhile, some areas have not had any rain out there today. None detected by Doppler in the past 24 hours across Bamberg, Allendale, or Sylvania. But the rain I just showed you is headed that way, so you do have some wet weather later tonight. Most areas getting a ½ inch up to about 3/4 of an inch of rain, according to Doppler radar estimates. On a live tower cam out there tonight, it's warm. It's almost humid out there, 70 degrees. That's a muggy temperature by summer standards even, 93% humidity. Currently 74 right now, rainfall in there in Swainsboro, same thing in Edgefield, but it is cooler at 68, and those cooler temperatures are what's going to be headed into the area. A frontal system is moving through the area now, the heaviest rain along that, but notice the rain tapers off quite a bit in its wake. And that's going to be the kind of coverage we're talking about for the next couple of days. Taking you real fast through your day as we head through Tuesday, cloudy skies, not a lot of rain, but we'll have that mist and drizzle out there. That's going to be your status quo, it looks like, really, through about Wednesday. Let's go ahead and have a look at our forecast. Low temperatures tonight around 66 in Waynesboro. Chance of measurable rain 60%. 40% chance of some light rain tomorrow in Aiken. The high only 69. And your 7-day forecast. Average high temperatures about 73. So we'll be below average for high temperatures for the next few days. But those low temperatures in the 60s are very, very warm for this time of the year.
Yeah, because you're right. It is muggy out there. Had the AC going today.
Yeah.
Couldn't get over it. All right. Thanks, Chris.